Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to freeze panes in Microsoft Excel. It's extremely hard and annoying to scroll through a large and complex spreadsheet that requires you to continuously go back up to the top to see what your column headers are. By using Freeze Panes, Microsoft Excel keeps specific rows or columns visible when you scroll in the worksheet. Let's dive in. Freeze top row. Go to View tab. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze top row. No matter what row, column or cell is selected, Excel will only freeze the top row. Notice the light gray line after the top row which indicates that you freeze the row. Just scroll through page and notice, header which is first row will stick to the top and visible. Here is the screenshot of Freeze top row. Unfreeze Panes. Make sure View tab is selected. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Unfreeze Panes. Excel will unfreeze panes either its row or column. Freeze first column. No matter what row, column or cell is selected, Excel will only freeze the first column. Go to View tab. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze first column. Notice the light gray line after the first column which indicates that you freeze the column. I am going to highlight the freeze area for your better visual and understanding. Here is the screenshot of Freeze first column. Freeze the first two rows. If you want to freeze the first two rows, simply select third row. Go to View tab. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze Panes. Notice the light gray line after the first two rows which indicate that you freeze the rows. I am going to highlight the freeze area for your better visual and understanding. Here is the screenshot of Freeze the first two rows. Freeze the first two columns. Any other custom freeze panes regarding columns can be done by this method. If you want to freeze the first two columns, simply select the third column. Go to View tab. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze Panes. Notice the light gray line after the first two columns which indicates that you freeze the columns. Here is the screenshot of first two columns. Freeze 4 rows and 4 columns. If you want to freeze few columns and rows simultaneously, you need to select the right cell for this purpose. Let's say you want to freeze first 4 rows and columns, and its range would be A1 to D4. You have to select the 5th row cell and 5th column cell, that is E5. Column is 5th of ABC, and row is 5th. Go to View tab. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze Panes. Notice the light gray line after the first 2 columns, which indicates that you freeze the columns. Here is the screenshot of freeze 4 rows and 4 columns. Freeze top row and first column. Let's say you want to freeze company column and top row to see the company as well as column headers while scrolling. Excel did not provide these options through menu from freeze buttons. To fulfill the need, you have to select the right cell. Select the cell below the rows and to the right of the columns you want to keep visible when you scroll. You need to select B2 cell. Make sure View tab is selected. Select Freeze Panes button. Select Freeze Panes. Here is the screenshot of freeze top row and first column. You are done. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials.